Good day, guys. Welcome back to another episode. In today's video, we're going to be checking out The Last Coat by The Last Coat. Alright, so this is The Last Coat. This is their flagship product. This was in the bulletproof bundle that I received from The Last Coat. So huge shout out to The Last Coat. Thank you guys so much for sending me out the bulletproof bundle to test out, make reviews on, get my thoughts, and be able to make content. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you do, remember to subscribe to the channel if you have not. Click the bell, turn on all post notifications so you don't miss a future upload, and also smash that thumbs up if you like it. But in this video, we are going to be applying The Last Coat onto the car. So this is going to be on top of the black ice. So it is going to be basically the sacrificial layer, protecting the black ice, helping the longevity of the black ice, getting more shine and depth out of it is what they claim. So we're going to be applying this. They also send in that bulletproof bundle this package of microfiber towels. We'll be using the towels that they have sent and supplied to apply this product. And I'll just go over a few of the things on this bottle from The Last Coat. For the directions, it says, with this new upgraded formula of The Last Coat TLC, even less is needed than before. We recommend spraying directly onto your microfiber towels and spreading it onto the surface. And then take a dry towel and buff in a hashtag pattern to a high gloss shine. As your towel gets saturated, considering using a new towel or spraying even less. Ideally, the surface is cool and clean and bare. If you must apply in direct heat and sun, work in smaller 2 foot by 2 foot areas. With this new formula, very little goes a long way. On ceramic coated vehicles, you can use even less, 1 ounce for an average size car. Then they also say on here that you can apply to paint, chrome, plastic, vinyl, stainless steel, and glass. So basically with this car, I can apply it over everything. Just not the tires, which is rubber, but I can do the wheels, I can do the glass, I can do all the plastics, all the paint. So that is very cool. I like a product that I can just spray on everything and get protection on it all, rather than trying to be careful not to get it onto some of the plastics or the glass. So like I said, very, very cool that they send this out. So this is 2.0. As you can see the bottle here, there's the directions, what they state. They also, on the other side, have all of the safety precautions if you get it in your eyes, on your skin, if swallowed, all of that. Very cool bottle. Do like the label a lot. As you can see, it is definitely kind of a different looking color. It's kind of a grayish, I would kind of say, and it is not a transparent color. It isn't super thick, as you can see there, and I do like the name of it as The Last Coat. So The Last Coat we're putting on here. I also have amp to put on here that just amplifies it. So basically you can go the black ice is what you're going to put on first, then you're going to put The Last Coat on. After that you can use the amp as basically a detail spray after you wash. I believe you can use it as a drying aid. We will have a video coming up on that, so if that is something you want to see, definitely remember to drop that down in the comments below. Let me get everything set up. We'll get on the car. We'll start applying The Last Coat, see how easy it is to apply, what kind of shine and gloss, color depth we get out of it, just overall how it makes the car look. So let me get everything set up, and we're going to check this product out. As you can see, I haven't even opened it, so this will be my first use with it, so my first impressions and all of that. Keeping the video as original as possible. Haven't used it before, so if it is something that I like a lot, you're definitely going to see that and you're going to notice it. So I hope that this product surprises me and I like it as much as the black ice. So in the bag of microfibers that they give you 2 black, as you can see there, 1, 2, and then they also give you 3 blue ones. On the one side it is a shorter nap, and then on the other it is a longer nap. So nice microfiber towels from The Last Coat. I'm going to use a blue for applying, and then I'm going to use a black for buffing it off. I like having 2 different colors, that way you don't get the towels mixed up. Or if you have good placement of your towels, you don't have to worry about that. But I'd always liked having 2 different colors. So with The Last Coat here, we're going to open this up. And it has a nice little foil seal that the black ice had on it as well. So we will just remove that foil seal. Once we have it removed, we will take the sprayer that they sent along with the product. I'm just showing this that way you guys know that this is my first use with this product. And as always, placement of the sprayer. Now that's in, I always say it, I can't say it enough. I like saying it in all my videos in case this is the first video you've watched or this is the only video on my channel you watch, but you always want to shake up your chemicals. You always want to make sure that they are completely mixed up in there. because some chemicals can have the tendency to separate. You don't want your separated chemical on the bottom is what you're applying when you need all of it mixed up. So it's always very, very important to go ahead and shake the bottle up. One thing is on their sprayer, they show basically a spray pattern right there. And then on the other side, they show that it does have the stream option. Hopefully you can see that there. I'm not going to test that because with this, we're spraying it into a microfiber. It's not a big deal if it has a stream or a spray pattern, or they're both spray patterns. To me, that's not a big deal. So I'm not testing that, just the performance of the sprayer. Does it work? Does it not? Does it spray? Does it atomize? We will see that. So let me get the microfiber towels. We're going to apply it to this side of the hood here. And as always, I'll take the camera, get it set up probably on a front fender because that's where I got the most room. And I'll apply it on a vertical surface because, as I always mention in my videos, but if this is the first one you're stopping in, I like to do a flat surface and then a vertical surface. So basically, if there's any difference in applying or if you see anything different in those two surfaces. So coming in with the towel, I just got it folded in fourths. I'm going to use the longer nap side. And then I'm just going to go ahead, get the sprayer primed up. I'm just going to go ahead and go 3 sprays in the microfiber. I think that's going to be sufficient enough. I don't want to over apply because they say that only 1 ounce, because this is basically ceramic coated with their black ice. We're not going to need tons of product, so that should be enough. And then the sprays are also going to get less as this towel gets a little more saturated, or I'll switch to a new one. The sprayer on it was very nice. So we're just going to come in and apply it onto the surface. And as I imagine, with a product that is thin like this, it should apply very even, nice, even coat, not hard to apply. And as you can kind of see there, hopefully it is kind of drying out a bit. I know they say to buff it off in a hashtag, that's up and down, side to side, vice versa. I am also going to apply like that because I like to do that because it ensures that you're not going to miss any spot, basically, in your application. So it's dried out a little bit. So for me to get this side right here, I'm just going to go ahead and do one more spray. The sprayer is very nice on that. I like it a lot. It does atomize. It does spray out product nicely. It's not spitting it out. So definitely a good sprayer. Feels good in the hand. Like it a lot. So very, very quality there. Bottle, label, sprayer. Microfiber towels included in this kit. All of it is really, really nice. So basically, once you got it wiped on like that, I'm going to come in with the black microfiber. I have it folded in fourths on the short nap side. And we're going to go ahead and buff it off just like we applied. And as they state, in a cross hatch pattern. And that surface was already extremely slick from the black ice. And it is very, very slick right now from the last coat on top of that black ice. Very impressed with that. Just judging by how it feels and how the black ice felt, seeing how hydrophobic that black ice was, this last coat is definitely going to help be a sacrificial layer on top of that black ice and offering tremendous hydrophobic properties just like the black ice as well. So I would say it definitely does buff to a very, very nice shine. That looks really good. It is very slick, as you can see there. The towel just glides around onto the surface. So very nice, very simple, very easy to apply. Nothing hard. And as you saw on the scoop here, this is plastic, and I applied it to it as well. It just has a nice black color. It's not shiny. It's just a nice neutral color. So it has done a great job there. And as you can see, it does have a very, very nice depth and gloss in it, especially right in the hood here where the light's hitting it, and then right up here by the scoop. So it is very shiny, very glossy, very slick, super easy to apply. I'm liking this product a lot. I don't see any hazing or any residue left behind. It buffed off extremely well with ease, and it didn't leave any product behind. So overall, very first time using it, first impressions just right here on the hood. Awesome product, super easy to use, just like the black ice. The last coat definitely has some very, very awesome products. So coming around over to the fender, I'm gonna go ahead and just throw 2 sprays on. As you're doing this, you're gonna do less and less as that microfiber towel becomes saturated with the product. And you can see it going onto the surface, just kind of a not really streaky is not the right word, but you can definitely see it's just kind of wet, and it looks kind of streaky just because that black ice is also beating this up. But it goes on very smooth. I absolutely love it. So here is the vertical surface, the front fender that we're doing. The product doesn't, once it starts, it just basically what it does is it flashes. It doesn't just leave a haze. So kind of cool, kind of unique there. And that is just with it on. It's not, like I said, there's no haze. I'm going to bring you guys in closer because I want to show how this looks. Hopefully the camera will capture it. Coming across these, right there as you can see it. The product comes on and then just flashes away. So very cool, very easy. You don't need to wait for a cure time or for the haze to look a certain color. You just come in with your other microfiber and then go ahead and just buff to that high shine. And as you can see there, it is getting a nice high shine to it. And I just cannot get over how slick the surface is from this product. It is very, very slick. Looks absolutely amazing. Crazy amounts of gloss, shine, depth in the paint. I'm gonna back the camera up. And we'll go ahead and hit the whole fender that we applied the last coat to. As you can see here, it's effortless. Removing this product, there is no effort needed. You're not needing a bunch of elbow grease. So if this is something that you have a bad shoulder or elbow or something like that, you got some kind of injury, or you're not as mobile as you once were, and you're looking for a car care product because you absolutely love detailing your car, you love making it look good, it's therapy for you, you're looking for a product that is easy, that gives amazing results. This product right here and the black ice, amazing results, super easy to use, no effort required. There is nothing wrong with this product at all. It is absolutely awesome. All right, I'm gonna go ahead, apply it to the rest of the car. I'll bring you guys in closer when I get to the glass to do the glass. We wanna see that. I'm very curious there as well. After I do the glass, I'm gonna go ahead and do the whole car, get it looking its absolute best, how it looks right now. Get it outside, we'll get some shots out in the sun to see how it looks, and then I'll give my overall thoughts and impressions after I've got the whole car done and what I think about this product. So coming around to the glass, there is some streaking. The inside of the glass is what's dirty, it's not the outside. We're gonna go ahead and apply the last coat onto the glass. I do know that this glass has nothing on it. There's not any Rain-X, not any kind of protection on this glass from when I was washing it. It's very rough. It probably is smart if you're gonna do your glass like this. This glass has been clay barred. To go ahead and clay bar your glass, get it prepped to apply a protectant, to apply a protection on the glass. That way it will work and perform as they claim, and it will be able to bond easier and better. But just the same as the glass, you can see it flash as it does on the paint. It buffs off super, super easy. On the glass too, the glass doesn't have any streaks. The glass has became very slick, as you can see right there. Very impressive, very, very impressive product. I like it a lot. Very easy to use. Very little amount of product needed to get amazing results. And now with this glass, you can see the towel. The glass is slick. That is just the weight of a microfiber, which doesn't weigh much at all. And it just slides down the surface. So this glass is definitely going to bead and repel water. And it's going to have the same protection as the paint does. So I love this product, how you can just apply it to everything. Everything on the car. Just go over the whole thing and get this protection on here. Very, very awesome. Let me get the rest of this thing done. We'll get it outside, see how it looks, and give my final thoughts and impressions on this product. All right, so here we are. We got the car outside. This thing is looking absolutely phenomenal. The paint, the depth, the shine, the gloss on this paint is absolutely amazing. I really, really like this product. I know I've repeated myself a lot, and I'm sorry for that, but it is just so easy to use. It is so effortless. Personally, this product is a game changer for someone looking for a great, easy-to-use product. Whether you're just looking for an easy-to-use product that you want good results and you're not huge into doing a ton of detailing, you just want a good-looking car or pickup, or you're someone that might have some kind of injury or disability, but you love cleaning your vehicle to get it the absolute best looking as possible, to have pride in your ride, this product right here is definitely the answer. This is just so easy to use, and the results that you get out of it, like I mentioned, and as I said, are phenomenal. As you can see, the gloss in this thing, the gloss is just off the charts. I have not used a product that has gave this much gloss. I have used some products that have gave gloss very, very close to this. This is the gloss that you're going to get out of a true ceramic coating. So this is what you can compare it to, is a true ceramic coating for the gloss levels. Overall, I would recommend this product 100%. This product has just been an awesome user experience using it. It's just been so easy. I cannot say anything bad about it at all. My next thing I want to see is the longevity and durability out of this and how long it keeps it looking this great. So if that is something you want to see, definitely drop that in the comments below. All right, so there you go. The Last Coat by The Last Coat. Like I said, the reason why it has this name is because this is their flagship product. This is what they started with. This product is really, really amazing. It makes the panel even slicker, which I was kind of wondering how could it get slicker from the black ice, but it does. It really, truly does make the panel slicker. As you can see right there is how much I've used. So like just barely any out of the top of that bottle. You can get a lot of applications out of this. Great results with ease of use, as you saw in this. And as you can see, it is super, super shiny. I cannot believe how shiny it is. The depth in the paint was already great from the black ice, but personally the depth in the paint is even better now with the Last Coat on top of the black ice. So one thing that's nice is you know that black ice is going to last even longer because now we have protection on top of it as a sacrificial layer that can take the brunt end of the UV damage, any bird droppings, mud, road grime, any of that before it actually gets to the black ice layer, which is under this. Super easy to apply. You could reapply this because it says that it would last anywhere from 4 to 6 months. So if you want to apply it once every 3 months or 4 up to 6, just keep an eye on it. Super easy to apply. You could keep that protective layer going just with this product by itself, even if you want to. You do not have to have the black ice underneath of it because this product works extremely well. So you can use just this product or you can pair it up with the black ice like I have done here. But overall, really, really like this product. Love the ease of use. Love the results that it gave because of the ease of use. Not being hard, wasn't having to work hard to get these results. Just absolutely love it. 2 thumbs up product, great product. Huge shout out to Last Coat. Thank you guys very much. Love this product. This product is amazing. I'm going to be using it more. If you are curious and interested and want to know how long does this protective layer keep going and is on here and want to see updates, update videos, testing, anything like that, definitely drop that down in the comments below. I would love to make some videos like that if that is something that you want to see. So definitely let me know. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you've used this product, leave that in the comments. I'd be curious, your results, what you thought of it, how did it work for you? Hopefully they're as good as what I've had with this on the car so far. So this product is absolutely awesome, but I want to hear your results that you have got out of it if you've used this product. But thank you all so much for stopping and checking out this video. Your support is greatly appreciated. Remember, if you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, turn on all post notifications so you don't miss a future upload. Smash that thumbs up if you like this video. But I will catch you all in the next one, and until then, take care.
Shaka on the beats, 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 Shaka on the beats.